Hi, welcome to the tutorial on how to use Google Meet. At the bottom of my Google Meet screen, you will see different icons. The first one is the microphone. Right now, I have my microphone muted. That means I am not speaking in Google Meet. I can unmute when I speak, and I can mute to be quiet. Then I have my video. I can turn my video on or off. I really want you to keep your video on during the Google Meet class so that we can all see each other and participate together. If you have trouble with bandwidth, please let me know and we can talk about different options for you. The next one I want to show you is the hand icon. You can raise your hand. You can see my hand is raised over here. And you can click it again to lower your hand. You will use your hand to ask permission to speak and to share and provide answers. This is the screen share. Sometimes I will want you to present your screen. You will click on this. You will click on your entire screen. And then you will click on the picture you see here in the white. Then you click share. When you are done sharing, you will click on stop sharing. Please do not share your screen without permission. The next icon is the snowman icon, and if you click that one for more options, you will have some other settings about how your screen looks during the Google Meet. You can try out a few of those things. The phone is for hanging up at the end of class. The class is ended, you can leave the call. Over here on the right, we have the participants, so you can click on that and it will show the names of the people in the class. And we also have the chat, where you click on that and you can write in the chat. And then you click the arrow to post. Okay. And that is pretty much how you use it when you are on a laptop and a computer. It is a little bit different when you are on a mobile device. I want to unpin. Okay, when you are on a mobile device, you will use the icons at the bottom. So we have the leave call button. We have the video button. And we have the microphone for mute and unmute. We have the hand. And then the rest of the options are under the more options icon, or the snowman icon. And if I click that, I have the options for in-call messages. That is for chat. Okay. I also have share screen. Okay. Okay, so that is the end of our tutorial on how to use Google Meet.